Making money online is a dream for many. Google Adsense offers a real way to achieve this. It's a program that lets you earn money by displaying ads on your website. Here's how it works. Advertisers pay Google to show their ads on relevant websites. You, the website owner, sign up for AdSense and place code on your site. Google then automatically displays targeted ads related to your content. When a visitor clicks on an ad, you earn a small amount of money. It's that simple. The more traffic your website receives and the more clicks your ads generate, the more you can earn. AdSense is a great way to monetize your website or blog. It's easy to set up and use, and it can provide a passive income stream. Ready to start earning with AdSense? The first step is creating an account. Head over to the Google AdSense website and click on the Sign Up button. You'll need a Google account to proceed. If you don't have one, creating one is quick and easy. Once you're logged in, AdSense will guide you through a straightforward application process. You'll be asked to provide information about your website, including its URL, content category, and language. Be sure to provide accurate details, as this will help Google determine the most relevant ads for your site. After submitting your application, it will be reviewed by the AdSense team. This process can take a few days. Once approved, you'll receive an email with instructions on how to implement the ad code on your website. Not all website niches are created equal when it comes to AdSense earnings. Choosing a profitable niche can significantly impact your revenue potential. Focus on topics with high advertiser demand. These are typically niches with a large audience and businesses willing to pay to reach them. Examples include finance, health, technology, and travel. Research keywords related to your interests using tools like Google Keyword Planner. Look for keywords with high search volume and competition, as these indicate strong advertiser interest. Consider your own knowledge and passions. Writing about something you're genuinely interested in will make creating content more enjoyable and sustainable in the long run. Section 4. Driving traffic to your website. Strategies for success. Having a great website with well-placed ads is only half the battle. To maximize your AdSense earnings, you need to drive traffic to your site. Search engine optimization, or SEO, plays a crucial role in attracting organic traffic. Focus on creating high-quality content that ranks well in search engine results pages, or SERPs. Use relevant keywords throughout your content, optimize your website structure, and build backlinks from other reputable websites. Social media marketing is another powerful tool for driving traffic. Share your content on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn, and engage with your followers to build a loyal audience. Consider paid advertising options like Google Ads or social media ads to reach a wider audience. While this requires an investment, it can be an effective way to jumpstart your traffic and generate clicks on your AdSense ads. Section 5. Optimizing ad placement and design. Maximizing your earnings. Where you place your ads on your website can have a significant impact on your click-through rates, or CTR, and overall earnings. Experiment with different ad formats and sizes to see what performs best for your audience and website layout. Consider using a combination of display ads, text ads, and link ads to maximize visibility. Place your ads strategically in areas where they are likely to be seen and clicked. Common placements include above the fold, within the content, and in the sidebar. Avoid placing too many ads on a single page, as this can overwhelm visitors and negatively impact user experience. Section 6. Common pitfalls to avoid. Navigating the AdSense landscape. While AdSense offers a fantastic opportunity to monetize your website, there are some common pitfalls to avoid. Clicking on your own ads is a big no-no. Google has strict policies against this, and it can lead to your account being banned. Don't try to trick visitors into clicking on your ads. Use clear and honest language and avoid misleading ad placements. Focus on building a sustainable business for the long term. Avoid get-rich-quick schemes or unethical practices that could jeopardize your AdSense account and your reputation. By following these tips and avoiding common mistakes, you can maximize your chances of success with Google AdSense and start earning money from your website.